Today, Ron and I are training on an aspect of knife fighting that's super important. That seems simple, but it's really hard to do, and that's constant motion. It has to be in multiple layers, if you will. My hands have to be moving, my feet have to be moving, and I need to be changing my position. I see a lot of people in knife fighting tournaments, they stay at a certain distance. This distance. No, that distance changes. It comes in and out. It changes laterally a lot.
Perfect.
Okay, sometimes it needs to threaten. Sometimes it retreats, then it advances, okay? And the thing is if you're doing all that and you're concentrating on that and your hand isn't moving, I can move like this and I'll get cut because my hand is still. If you go back and look at my knife fighting tapes, you can see one of the greatest openings that almost everybody gives you is a still hand. He'll be moving, that hand will posture for just a split second and I'll cut it. If you hold your hand still, I'll cut it. Almost invariably. When Ron gets me, it's usually in the hand, it's when it's not moving. If this hand's moving, it's hard. I waited for him right there. I put this out here, waited for him to this hand to go, and then I cut into it. But the only reason I could do it is because these were moving. If you're not moving, you're losing. Remember that, always. Now, where do you move your hands to? It depends. If he's threatening you, and you think he's gonna stab, like here, you gotta have little short motions, little short ones. Right here. Like that. If I hold my hand still, I have a harder time getting him into action when he thrusts suddenly. There he hit me. There I picked it up. There as he came in, I landed hard on him. Would I have stopped that motion? I don't know. But I was in motion. Here's what I did wrong though. When I saw that motion, I cut here. I should have cut here, like I talked about before. So remember, when you're being threatened, you're moving. Cut close into your body. Your counter is here. And I went out there. If you don't make a drastic step backwards, you're gonna get hit like that. But if I'd done this, here, right in front of myself. 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 A lot more success.
The thing you want to do too is not repeat motions, right? So if I'm sitting there and I'm this guy, he knows that I'm that.
So your motion changes.
Nice one.
The reason I got that, both arms are doing an X. This one cut here, back, he thrust, I picked it up there. But I was cutting X's. Got it both, by the grace of God. Now,
doesn't let you breathe, does it?
No. I've heard comments saying, oh, Lynn's out of shape, he can't breathe. Hey.
You try doing this.
Yeah. Let me have Ron put that pressure on you and treat that like a real stab, that you're gonna die if you get hit. There he ticked my shirt. I missed the cut, but I got away.
Nice. block.
Constant motion. In, out, laterally, back, forward, retreat, hands in motion.
Always.
That's where you have to do it.